Good morning, Texans. Today is Thursday, May 14th, 2020, and it's time for our morning announcements. We'll start with our Pledge of Allegiance. I pledge allegiance to the flag of the United States of America and to the republic for which it stands, one nation under God, indivisible, with liberty and justice for all. And now to the great state of Texas. Honor the Texas flag. I pledge allegiance to thee, Texas, one state under God, one and indivisible. This time we'll observe a moment of silent reflection. Quick reminder that next Wednesday, I believe it's next week, May 20th. May 20th is our yearbook distribution. And so please make sure that if you purchased a yearbook, look at the information that we sent out to you on this past Sunday. We'll send it out again this coming Sunday, but we have put out that information so that you can make sure that you have everything that you need to know in terms of the logistics of picking up your yearbook. Seniors, we will take up your Chromebooks at that same time, and that'll be a drive-through process. Nobody has to get out of a car or anything like that. So yearbook distribution, May 20th, senior Chromebook pickup also May 20th. We also have a makeup date. If you can't make it on the 20th, we have 5 to 7 p.m. on May 22nd that you can also come and take care of that. Graduation honor cords remain on sale until May 19th. May 19th is the deadline to buy graduation honor cords, and we will not be able to sell them to you after that. We'll put a distribution in place for those honor cords that you purchased on May 22nd from 3 to 5. And we'll put this all in writing for you as well, but making sure you have all this information. Pickup and return of items. Continue to, if you have personal items that you need to pick up, please reach out to Mr. McCowan, our assistant principal, and he'll get you set up with that. If you are picking up items from certain groups, athletics, fine arts, certain teachers, that type of thing, they have sent you that information, and so you're working with that. Return of textbooks will only be seniors, and we'll coordinate that on May 22nd as well. And so lots of things. So look for May 20th and May 22nd as key dates for pickup and return of items of things. And we'll get you more and more information about that in writing as we move forward. So be watching your email. Seniors, we have a big letter full of information coming for you, particularly regarding graduation. And so look for that in your inboxes. Hopefully sometime today. We're looking to make sure that we're authorized to release that information to you. Everything is accurate in that, and we're all on the same page among all of the high schools. And so we'll get that out to you as quickly as possible. Looking forward to lots of good things coming for our seniors. We're excited about our opportunity to have our commencement over at Texas Motor Speedway and to be able to be united with our seniors again. Very exciting. Texans, those are all the announcements I have for you today. I love you. I miss you. I can't wait to see you again. And I hope you make today a great Thursday.